How to paint your benchtops with Dulux Renovation Range tiles and benchtops. Time for a kitchen renovation? Dulux Renovation Range tiles and benchtops will do the trick, delivering that fresh look at a fraction of the cost of those new benchtops. You could be onto something. You can see a detailed checklist along with extra helpful information on our website at dulux.com.au. Let's do this. Scrub down with Sally's sugar soap and rinse with clean water. Repeat this process until your surfaces are squeaky clean. Clean with Sally's mold killer and rinse with clean water. Remove all silicone with Sally's silicone remover. And make sure you mask up. Rinse new rollers and brushes in water to remove any loose fibres or dust. Here's a checklist of Renovation Range products and tools you'll need for the painting job. It's important to choose the correct roller and brush to use with Dulux Renovation Range. Dulux Renovation Range Primer. Prime all surfaces using your microfiber roller. Dry time 8 hours. You can choose from a range of Dulux's colours for your benchtop. We've chosen Dulux Whisper White. Paint time. Try to find the right amount of paint on your roller. Too much there? Not enough? Perfect, the Goldilocks of paint. Go between cutting in and rolling, always keeping a wet edge. Plan in sections which parts you'll paint. Repeat the cutting in, rolling and laying off process for each section of your benchtop. Leave for a minimum of 8 hours dry time before applying your second coat. Dulux Renovation Range Clear Coat adds a layer of protection to your top coat. Apply your clear coat with your roller in a speedy fashion. Light use after 2 days and full use in 7. Like new benchtops, but at a fraction of the cost. Enjoy that new benchtop, guys! Dulux Renovation Range tiles and benchtops. Worth doing? With Dulux.